Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a company review by the name of Jeulia. Do you want to see what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this company reached out to me. They asked if I'd be willing to try out one of their pieces of jewelry and take a look at it, see what it's all about, and review this so you guys can see and know about their company as well. So they let me actually choose an item from their site. Now, if you go to their site, they have so many different things ranging from rings to necklaces to earrings to bracelets, and they all look really, really beautiful. It was so hard for me to pinpoint one thing. It was so hard. But I went ahead and went with a bracelet because my ears are super, super sensitive. So I know if I would have got one of these amazing earrings, I wouldn't be able to wear them much. And I don't want my ears to flare up and try to reject something. So that was out. My necklace, I normally always wear this necklace. I normally never take it off. And rings are so hard because my little chunky little sausage fingers, it's so hard to find a size. So all my rings are done by a jeweler where they actually sized them and made them to fit. So long story short, I went ahead and chose a bracelet because I feel like that would be the most thing that I would get out of using as far as the type of jewelry that they offer. So I chose a bracelet and they said that's what they're gonna send me. So I haven't opened the box. This came in an outer packaging that was wrapped, a mailer bag, and this was inside. I haven't opened this just yet. So we will soon see what they actually sent me and what this is all about. But I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the company. I will link their website down below. I am on their website right now. They do have a 30-day return, free shipping on orders of $99 or more. They have a 1-year warranty, secure shopping, flexible financing, and their jewelry is $925 sterling silver. So I went on here. It actually even there's a video you can watch on how they actually make their jewelry. They say about their brand with Jeulia, about their brand with Jeulia, jewelry is more than an accessory. It represents something much bigger. Through jewelry, we're afforded the ability to not only personalize a look, but also invoke emotion and creative memories. This is the very mentality Jeulia is founded on. We created premium artisanal jewelry that embodies both who you are and what we stand for. And I guess it's a handcrafted 15-step process. It's all 100% handcrafted. It's not done on an assembly line. And let's go ahead and let me go to their main page here. So when you go to their main page right now, I guess they're having a 5th anniversary sale, but they even have a new mermaid line, which they had a ring that had like a mermaid tail in it. I think it looked like it moved. It looks so cute. But again, I have that situation with my fingers, so I thought that wouldn't be a good idea. But they do have I have my lighting right there. How can I get this off? They have all different types. Look at, there's like a Alice in Wonderland style. They even have a Nightmare Before Christmas, and right there. And I almost got that. See how this mermaid is like moving? Did I touch it? Hold on. There, look at the tail. I think that is so cute. So they have a whole mermaid collection with all different types of necklaces and rings. They have a wedding collection. They have necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and charms, or design your own. So again, I will link them down below. You can go to their website and you can see everything. Let me go ahead and find the one that I chose so we can see the information on it. But even they have tons of them. But I believe this is the one right here. Let me open it up. I believe this is the one that I chose right here. And this one is valued at $185. And they also have matching necklace and earrings if that is the one that I'm getting. So let's go ahead and open this up and let's see if that's what I got. So again, here is the box. It is a nice little black chic with just a little subtle silver, which looks very nice and classy. And we open it up. Ooh, there's even a little bag. So if you're buying this as a gift, you have a gift bag. And let's see. The sterling polishing cloth is made of high quality cotton. So this is a polishing cloth. Oh, perfect. So they do include a polishing cloth, which I appreciate that. So it comes in this little thing right here. So you have a polishing cloth, which was down inside this bag. And there's also, here's a little greeting card. So if you do give it as a gift, you can write your own little card and you can stick it down inside this bag. How cute. That's nice that they do send a bag in case this is for a gift, like I said, so then you can present it. That's nice. All right, so now here is a thank you for your purchase. They even have a rewards program. Now, it says stop, items cannot be returned if the jewelry tag is removed. So please carefully check the item and make sure it fits properly before removing the tag. And then it goes over the returns and exchanging conditions. And the return instructions are all in this little pamphlet. Then they have a little booklet right here. See, that's part of their mermaid design. And here's the Nightmare Before. I almost got this necklace because I so wanted it. But then I know I don't ever take this one off. So again, I really wanted to choose something that I knew I would really wear. But let's see if I can try to get this going here. They have this whole brochure of all these different things that they have to offer. I love that page right there. There's just some really, really pretty jewelry in here. And if you're like me and you can't afford an expensive thousands of dollars for a real jewelry piece, this would be a very good alternative to get something really nice at a fraction of the cost because it's not real diamonds, but it is still sterling silver. So then here is a little box inside. So then again, if this was a gift, you can just drop this right down inside and give it to whoever you're giving it to. So let's get this opened. There's that. And here is the item. I'm so excited. Ooh, yes, so that is the one that I got. How pretty. Look at that. Let me see how I can show you. Let me put it around this box. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. I wish you guys could see the detail in, see all the sparkles. So let me put it on my wrist. Now this has the type that has a little round thing and you pull it so it adjusts. So it'll fit any type of wrist because it's adjustable. If I can pull it up with one hand. All right, I'm getting there. Perfect. So you have that little thing and there we have it. Look how pretty. Ooh, I like that. And it goes with the blues that I'm wearing today. Look at that little shine, that sparkle. That is so pretty. Ooh, I really like that. But it's still kind of dainty. Even though it has like this in the middle, it still is very thin and dainty to this little chain. I think that is really nice. I think that is really nice. So that is what I have to show you guys. If you want to check them out, I will link their website down below. You can go to their website and check them out. Thank you so much, Jeulia, for sending me this bracelet to show my viewers. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is stunning. It's so sparkly. Oh my gosh, it's so sparkly. I really like that. And nobody better get close enough to my wrist to be able to tell if it's real or not. But that is just gorgeous. And I love that it is real sterling silver. Ooh, even the little, okay, I gotta take this off and show you that. The little pull tabs even have like little stones on it. There's little stones in the little tabs. And there is an engraving right on this little circle thing that you pull, and it has the sterling silver 925. I don't think you're gonna pick up on it, but it is engraved on this little thing right here. So that is genuinely sterling silver. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that I have for you. Comment down below, let me know what you thought about this bracelet. And again, if you do want to check them out, I'll link their website down below and you can check them out for yourself. But thank you so much for watching this video and seeing this beautiful piece that was sent to me for review. So thank you again for sending me this. And yeah, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate it. And then you'll see the different videos that I load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.